Hello, hello, hello. This message is to Blessing, the Cameroonian girl. This message to Blessing, the Cameroonian girl. Blessing, you not fear. You not fear. You can't write me for my WhatsApp. Say, make me a dose of all people. Come your useless platform. Make I can't tell people the way I think they do expression here. Oh God, this is insult. This is a big insult. You don't know, say I hate you well, Blessing. I hate too much. You know why? You leave the problem of Cameroon people. You leave them. The way English, they kill Francophone. You not talk anything. You just come, social media, can't enter Edo people, but you can't insult us. They speak over, you know, Monica, Bruce, I say this fool. Your people, they kill old men for your country. They kill small children for body ass. They kill Anglophone. They kill small children. They cut their neck. Bless you, uncle. You don't talk anything. You not talk anything. All our baba, the big house, you carry a picture, come out, put am for saga. I watched that video also. They do whatever you like to Edo State. You can't, God can't punish you. You can't sort of crawl enter my WhatsApp. Say, make me come out for your platform of your useless platform. Make me come tell people, hey, Jimmy. Make me come tell people I'm going to do expression here. If you want me to come out on your platform, it's 5,000 euro cash before I will come out and explain on your platform how I make expression here. Do you understand me? Do you think my expression here is kobo? You think it's one naira? Hey, yeah. I pity for you. I pity for you. You hear? There is no one of my video of expression on your wall either. Never, you don't post. Very evil girl. I don't know where she from come out. When are you episode bolo? You go carry us at the automatic beer. You go carry the automatic beer. Eh? Something can't draw you. Come with the EA pata place. Come, welcome. Idiot fellow. Me, I catch you. I don't block you. Come back again with another fake account. Make I see you for my WhatsApp. You think say I be those people where you they blog? You they mad. Meriados is different. Have you ever asked yourself how this woman Meriados enter Facebook? You don't ever see that. Which kind of person is this woman? How she take enter here? She did Facebook. You know they find. She know they say come donate. She know they say anything. She just and they even they give. They teach. You never know the kind of person where I be. Come for my inbox. They talk say. You know how many views I don't get for my expression? You know how many views? Because they block my Facebook. That's why you have your next, the infantry. Ay, Jesus, I don't suffer. The infantry, they'll tell me to come to your platform. Because I have problem with my Facebook. Go into Meriados free hookup. You will see how many views I have on my expression. So who have to come to my platform? Is it not you, Blessing, that have to come to me for help? To promote you? See this shit. I don't suffer. It was not this expression movement. I not they come out again for Facebook. I have the shame for my life. If not be waiting happen to me. All these people for don't they see me. I can't come Facebook, come they talk. I for not they see all this nonsense now. Which kind of rubbish be this? I bet my people, later now we will do the giveaway. Now we will continue our giveaway. 8 o'clock or 10 o'clock. I dey do her now. I dey lose wet and wave kicking coil. I dey lose her now for here. So 8 o'clock or 10 for real Meriados. Yeah. 5,000 naira for 20 people again. Yes, they are not even forgive how many people. Me don't tire. As me need assistant. Even my husband not even dey try self. I love my voice, talk that one. I greet to now, John, and bye-bye. Rabelo, bye-bye. Call bye-bye. Now, bye-bye. I love you guys so much. Bye. Blessing, go and get a life, okay? Don't let me ever see you again near my WhatsApp or anything concern me on Facebook. Do you hear me? May not let me use a dove juju take kill you. Is it yes? Ciao.